Good morning guys! Maaga tayo ngayon nagising dahil start na ang klase ni Sam at saka ni Shelton. So, magluto muna tayo ng breakfast. So, ito yung ulam ni Samantha, guys. Itlog na fried. Ayan. Tapos, rice na. Meron pa kasi kaming rice kagabi. So, ininito na lang sa microwave para kakainin ni Sam. Here's your food. Shelton.
Hey guys.
Wait,
First day of 6th grade.
First day of 6th grade.
Kind of nervous, but
Ayan, kumakain na siya ng breakfast.
This YouTuber.
Yeah. Are you excited? Your first day of school?
Nervous, but a little bit.
Hmm?
A little bit excited.
You're gonna see your friends before. Your
Yeah.
classmates before.
My classmates from all the way back in 3rd grade, they moved schools because they lived in Laverkin.
Oh.
They went to
You
school
see
in
them?
Laverkin. So I saw one of them. No, I saw 3 of them.
You're gonna see them later.
Yeah. Maybe Briarios will go. He's gonna be at that school.
Siya. Kaya na si Shelton. First day of school. Right now? It's not so early?
Because 8:13 is when the bell rings. So I have to be there by like 7 something.
Okay. Let's go. You go buckle up now. We're gonna drop off Sisi. Ano sa bali ay? Akala ko mamaya pa. Oh,
Is it okay if I change my top to this?
yeah. Come on. Come on.
I didn't see the shooting star.
Shooting star because it's look, it's day, not night.
When I sleep, I keep having dreams. Is going inside.
Are you ready for your first day of school? Huh? Not really?
Sissy. Sissy.
So, we're going to drop off Sisi. 8th grade na siya, guys.
I saw
After Shelton, Sisi naman ngayon. So, alis muna kami, guys. Kasi akala ko mamaya pang 8 o'clock i-drop off si Samin pala ngayon na pala. Sisi. Good luck. Did you bring water? Oh, you can refill water over there. Yeah. Good luck, Sisi. Yan, middle school, guys. Yan si Sisi. Papunta na siya. Saan na ba yun siya? Ang tapan kasi ayun. Ayun si Sisi.
Mom.
Did you say? What did you say?
I'm tired of walking.
I'm tired of walking. What are your job? Why you're tired? Huh? Sleeping, eating, playing? That's why you're tired?
No, I just wanna sit down.
Okay. We will carry you. Oh, my baby boy. Next year na namin siya pa-schoolin, guys. Miss ko to. B, press the garage button. My gosh! Good job. Okay. We are home. Kami nilang dalawa ulit. Dalawa na lang kami ni guys. Suyer. Dito sa bahay. Yan. Ano na naman. Silent naman yung bahay. Kasi wala yung dalawa. Kami lang dalawa ni Suyer. Ang kalat ng namin, guys. Office ni asawa, ang kalat, Yung foot massage, andyan pa, hindi pa na nalagay sa gilid. Ay. Dali! We're gonna go downstairs.
Mom's down.
Not yet, oh look, there's a lot. There's two.
Almost
Two more.
done.
Okay. Ito yung nabili ko sa Pilipinas, guys. O, yung ABC. Tapos, may count numbers 1 to 20.
And then she gave me this Play-Doh, guys.
Yeah. I give him the Play-Doh dahil nagbasa siya ng ABC at saka counting numbers. Wala kasi dito si asawa, guys. Nasa business meeting. Ano na siya doon? Ano lang siya doon? 3 days and 1 night. Uuwi na naman siya. After ng 3 days. Ngayon pala ako magliligpit, guys, ng kitchen. Kasi tamad talaga ako. Bumalik ako ng tulog kanina. Gutom na gutom si Shelton dahil nga naglakad galing bus station tapos naglakad na. Kaya gutom na gutom. Ayan, shrimp ang ulam niya. Buttered shrimp. Yung kahapon na ulam namin yan. Tapos meron pang natira. Madami pa naman. So, yan ang kinakain niya. Gutom na gutom, You're hungry so much. So, ito yung natira. Para naman yan kay Sisi. Kasi tapos na kaming kumain ni Sawyer, guys. Kaya, yung tira sa kanila naman yun. Hindi na ako nagluto kasi mayroon pang tira Sayang naman pag tatapon. Kaya, yan na lang yung kinain namin sa hapunan. Kaya hatid ko muna si Shelton, guys, sa kanyang taco football practice. So, isasama ko si Sawyer kasi si Sam busy sa kanyang ginagawa. Ginagawa kasi niya yung kanyang kuko. So, meron pa kami mga ilang minuto, mga 5 din na alis kami dito. Kasi maaga pa naman. 5:30 yung practice nila. Sawyer, don't do that, so. Meron naman akong ligpitin, guys. So, pag uwi ko, i-drop off ko lang siya, tapos pagbalik, linis na ulit. Andito na kami, guys, sa middle school, kung saan sila Shelton ay napapractice. Ayun sila, oh. Ayun sila, napapractice sila. Ayun.
Mom,
So,
let me go pee.
go pee.
Here?
Yeah, you can pee there. Tinuruan ko dun. Tapos, andyan yung school ni Samantha. Amin, guys, so ayun yung mountain dyan. Ito yung school ni Samantha. Yan. Ito lahat to. Yung bahay namin andun sa kabila. Andun sila. What? What? Where are you going? So ayun sila sa Shelton. Hindi pa dumating yung mga bata, yung ibang bata na mag-practice kasi 5:30 pa naman yung kanilang practice. Come on! Mag-ano muna kami. Mag-walking kami ni Sawyer. So, ayan. Papunta yan doon. Yan. Come on! Come on. Walking lang kami ni Sawyer. Yan si Sawyer.
Hey guys, we're watching shows.
While waiting for brother.
We're waiting from brother.
For
brother.
Baby and close with baby girl. Wait, no.
Baby girl?
Open with baby girl. Close with baby
We're watching
girl
Trolls,
woman.
guys, while waiting for Shelton. Ayun sila, guys. Oh. Ayun sila. Practice kahit umulan.
He's running.
We're coming, mate. Try not to get eaten. Dad, we're at the road.
Watching a movie while waiting for brother to finish
Right. Well, that
his practice. Ayun sila. Kahit tawag dito, maulan, practice pa rin. Yan, maulan dito. Para ma-occupy si Sawyer, ayan, nag-watch siya ng movie.